Are you looking for a way to help unwind after a long day at work or driving? Now you can massage away the tension and muscle pain with the Renpho Shiatsu massaging cushion, just like a shiatsu massage in your own home. Adjustable elastic straps hold the massage cushion in place on most chairs, whether at home or in the office. Plug in, power on, and enjoy the spa-like treatment. The unique massage pillow is height adjustable up to 4.8 inches with the controller, making it suitable for most heights, and also features a removable and washable polyurethane cover. The 4 massage heads with 8 rotating nodes rotate clockwise and counterclockwise on your back to offer a comprehensive relaxing experience. Adjustable massage nodes allow you to select a targeted pain point on the back for deep tissue shiatsu massage, relieving muscle tension and fatigue. This portable massage cushion provides you with deep kneading, shiatsu, and rolling for your neck, independently selectable heat function, and 3 optional soothing vibration intensity levels in the seat to help alleviate aches and pain. Easily foldable, the Renpho neck and back massager make it perfect for at home, in the office, or for on the go. Give your aching neck, shoulders, and back the luxury they deserve with the customizable massage cushion. Live healthy, live smart.
Do too much housework? Let's give ourselves more care. Vibration seat massage with 3 levels of intensity. Max Shiatsu massage. 4 swinging balls plus 3D rollers for your back. 3 massage areas of back, full, upper, and lower back. 3D deep kneading shiatsu massage for your neck and back. Make you feel more comfortable.
Looking for a massager that fits into any chair for around $100? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today we have a massager that fits into my gaming chair by Snellax. Let's check it out. Welcome back to another video. I'm your host Brad, and today we have a massager by Snellax. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure to go ahead and do so. It really supports the channel. And hit that bell if you want to get notifications. This is a massager that fits into any chair. For the purpose of this video, I am using my gaming chair. And the thought this might be something you'd like for long hours on the computer. I mean, I'm sure it's crossed your mind at some time. Oh, it would be really nice to have a massage right now. Fitting this into my chair was fairly quick and simple. It has some nice Velcro straps that will secure it to the back of the chair, along with some pillow-like pads that will Velcro to the top. And of course, powering it, you will use a standard wall outlet. The cord is just over 80 inches, so you have plenty of slack after you have it plugged up. It also has this really cool remote that is attached to it. You get a lot of controls on it, like the 2D, the 3D, and the roll, and you know, the massaging controls. And a sleeve made into the side cushion for the remote to go in when you're not using it. This massager's main features is the 2D and 3D movement controls. So if one movement doesn't suit you, it can easily switch between the two. Snellax even has an American patent on this function, so they are the only massagers with these features. The 2D mode moves in a flat direction while going up and down your back, and the 3D mode, it moves up and down while going in different directions, while also moving up and down your back, really getting into the tissues for a very nice massage. That's one thing that stands out in my opinion about this massager, is it gives you way more control features than standard massagers on the market. Even if the 2D or 3D modes do not suit you, kinda like myself, you can use modes like roll and spot massage, while also being able to select the upper back or lower back if you don't like the standard full back selection. Some other cool features is the nodes in this device. They are heated, giving you some comfort, warming your muscles, while it works along with some vibration controls in the seat. And this thing really gets into the deep tissues when you put it to work. Using it myself, as I said earlier, my favorite mode is the roll mode, where it just rolls up and down my back. You can also hit the roll mode once again, and the width of the rollers will move to custom fit the user's body. I enjoyed this while relaxing around and could see this being something I would really recommend if you were gaming or sitting at a computer for long hours. And the best part is you don't have to only use it with office chairs. You can lay it down in just about any chair and then plug it in and it's ready to go. With all of the control, deep tissue power, and availability of use it gives you, I would definitely recommend you to check out this massager by Snellax. We have some links located in the description. I would also like to give Snellax a shout out for letting me get my hands on this massager for this review. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and let us know what you think about this massager in the comments. That's it for this one. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you turn that bell on to join the notification squad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.
This is the FS8812, a 10-motor massage seat cushion with heat from 5-Star. In the box includes the massage cushion, AC power adapter, car adapter, and instruction manual. The massager has 10 vibrating motors built inside to massage your neck, back, and thighs with soothing heat on your lower back area. There's a convenient remote control to customize 3 different massage speeds and 4 massage programs. These are automatic ways to vary the speeds, change the massage zones, and fade in and out. You can select one program or let it cycle through all 4 programs. There are 4 zones of massage: the neck and shoulders and upper back area, the middle back, the lumbar lower back area, and lastly the thighs. Each zone can be manually controlled by pressing the corresponding button for concentrated massage or any combination of 2, 3, or all 4 zones. The power cord is nice and long for convenience, perfect for your home or office. Plus, a car adapter is included so you can enjoy a massage in your car while on the go. The 5-Star FS8812 vibrating seat cushion offers you an invigorating massage.
Introducing the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager. The Shiatsu massager has 2 different settings for ultimate relaxation: massage and heat and just massage. Hold down the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The massager is easy to use. Just ensure that the connections are tight. You should hear a click. Then just plug it into a home outlet or a car socket. The Shiatsu massager has an ultra-slim ergonomic design which contours perfectly around lower and upper back, neck, abdomen, calf, and thigh areas. The massage motors are also very powerful to ensure a deep massage. Now sit back, relax, and let the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager relieve all your aches, knots, and muscle tension.